Good morning. Whoa, my voice. I am so excited to eat this little McNut toast right here. Tell me she doesn't look the prettiest thing ever. I can't even wait. I'm just gonna eat it in my car. Let's have a little bite. Cheers. I'm so happy right now, guys. So it looks like it's cucumber, McNut, and then we have sprouts, I think. And then their homemade bread. Good morning, guys. So I got this little notepad from Target yesterday. I was gonna say the other day, but I literally wish it was there yesterday. And it is so cute. There's a section for must do, might do, and remind me later. It's by the brand Noted, or I guess Post-it. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this today. Made a list of all the things that I want to accomplish today. First things first, I want to do a huge spring cleaning, and that includes all of the bedrooms, the bathrooms, and the living room and kitchen. I put laundry because it's about time. I have so many laundry. I also want to declutter my closet and maybe fill up a box to donate to Salvation Army or Goodwill. And hopefully we get to do that today. If not, I just at least want to clean a little bit of my closet. I don't have my winter clothes here in Hawaii, obviously, because I don't need them. But I feel like there are some pieces that I haven't been wearing. So I'm going to go ahead and declutter and take those out. I also want to work out first things first in the morning because I feel like that will give me a boost of serotonin and also energy to get through the day. Next, I have my might do section. I put film a bikini haul because I got so many bikinis. I really want to share them just in case you guys are looking for bikini inspirations for spring and the summertime. I also want to do a spring get ready with me. That can either be today or tomorrow. This one is super random, but I have another TikTok content that I want to do, and it's tasting natto. I also might edit my IG reel of my 5 a.m. morning routine that I filmed yesterday. And I also might do my nails. My nails doesn't look too bad right now, but I mean, they've seen better days, guys. Okay, last but not least, we have my remind me later. I want to pay my credit card. I also need to pick out some Princess Polly items because I'm collaborating with them for spring. I need to send them my selects. And then I need to do a couple of orders on Amazon, like my electric toothbrush. I don't know what it is, but it kind of died out on me, or it's tweaking right now. So I want to get a new one because I like the electric toothbrush feeling, okay? And then I also need to get a little neck pillow for the plane because I'm traveling international pretty soon and I need that for a 12-hour flight. Last but not least, I also wanted to remind myself to edit my 5 a.m. morning routine, which is in collaboration with Adidas. I really love this little notepad. I got it from Target, so I will link it in the description box if you guys are interested.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest.
Hello guys, update on the spring cleaning. It's doing pretty well. I'm pretty much done with all the cleaning that I wanted to do. I did the kitchen, I did the living room, I did the master bedroom and the office and the guest room, and also both bathrooms. So I'm really happy that I got to finish that. If you guys can hear that little sound in the background, that's my laundry still going. I have one more load to do, but I can't start it yet because I have clothes in there that still has to dry, and there's something in the dryer right now. But it's about to be noontime and I am getting hungry, and I also have my period, so I'm like extra hungry. So we're gonna go ahead and make my favorite salmon recipe. If you guys have been watching my vlogs, you probably already know the ingredients, but I love this simple, very yummy salmon air fryer recipe. All you're gonna need are your salmon. I've been defrosting this since this morning. I just put it in the fridge. You're gonna need olive oil, salt, garlic powder, paprika, lemon pepper, onion powder, your butter of choice, and you're not really gonna need this till like the last 5 minutes of your salmon cooking. And then last but not least, this is totally optional, but I love to top it off with my crunchy garlic. This is so delicious. So one thing that I've been loving when it comes to using my air fryer is using an air fryer lining sheet, and this one is from Amazon, and I just like to put it on there, and then I get my salmon or whatever I'm cooking that will not, you know, secrete a lot of liquids, and just top it on top. Then I just throw this in the air fryer at 370 degrees for 20 minutes. Using their fingers. If you're Filipino, you know.
I got love. Some people say money gets you everything, but it don't make me happy. It's not the reason my heart sings. It's what I've got.
Guys, update. I just got a package from Kiehl's. I guess this is their Valentine's Day PR. It says, will you be our Valentine? And they checked off yes. Lather your skin with the beloved 5-star rated Creme de Corps body lotion, a favorite since the 1980s, a non-greasy lotion with cocoa butter, shea butter, and squalene. So cute, guys. Thank you so much, Kiehl's. And they sent this little candy. I just got another package dropped off, and this is from AF94. This is a brand new brand. This is a new brand that reached out and wanted to send me a PR. I forgot who owns this brand, but they sent this cute little lash and lip gloss liner set. These are all the items in the package. We also got some stickers, super nice. We have a lip gloss in this bubblegum pink. This is a volumizing mascara. We have this dark purple one, and then we have this pink one, black to pink. Yeah, so super exciting. Thank you so much, A94. It's so exciting because all these packages came to Hawaii, and they're like my first few packages or PR packages that have arrived here.